Yeah, so I built this rear suspension for this motorcycle powered cart. It's powered by a 600cc Ninja motor. The owner complained about the existing suspension with its coilovers not giving him enough suspension travel and binding. So I adapted this hoop type system to the frame, worked out the geometry to make sure there's no binding and no hitting the frame as the suspension went up and down. Triangulated the mounts to the frame to make everything even stronger than stock. So have a look. So if you need any metal fab, welding, metal repair, or general mechanical problem solving, look me up. That's Vazfx on Facebook and Vazfx.co on Instagram and Vazfx.co on the internet. That's VAZ, F as in Frank, X as in X-ray, .co.